Hello students, how are you all? Hope you will be fit and fine and doing well in your study. Children, I want to ask from you, how many states are there in India? Yes, then there are 29 states in India. And among these states, Sikkim is one of them. Okay? Sikkim is the 8 northeastern states of India. And children, in today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, Sikkim. In this chapter, you will know about Sikkim, where it is situated, what are the famous places of Sikkim, what are the famous activities of Sikkim, what are the famous food items of Sikkim, and etc. Okay? This chapter has been explained with the help of a drama or play which has been performed in a classroom. So, let's start. Okay. When Ria reached her school in the morning, she found a girl. She found a new girl sitting on her seat. Ria smiled and sat next to her. Soon the teacher entered and introduced the new girl to the class. So, children, what happened in this chapter? Starting, this has been started, and then, as you know, children, when the new session starts in your school, then you must have experienced some students have come from many places, from other places. Then in this story, it also happens that one girl has come from a new place. Okay, and see, she is a new student, and she is sitting next to a Ria. See, what happened when the classes start? Then a teacher entered into the classroom. Then what? See, see children, come to the first paragraph. Teacher, good morning, students. I want to introduce you all to your new classmate, Bodhi. Bodhi belongs to Sikkim, which is one of the most fascinating states of India. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, it spreads below Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. What happens in the first paragraph? A teacher enters into the classroom, okay, and she or he wishes to the whole students, and then she or he introduces a new student. See children, here teacher may be male or female, that's why I'm using he or she, okay. And then the girl which is new to this classroom, her name is Bodhi, and she is from Sikkim. Okay, and teacher also explains that Sikkim is the fascinating states of India. Means what? It is one of the attractive states. See children, word meanings are there. Fascinating means attractive, situated, located, spreads, cover the sea. Okay, then she is telling that Sikkim is the most attractive states of India, and it has been situated in eastern Himalayas, and it spreads below Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. Which is the third highest mountain in the world? Kanchenjunga. Okay, now come to the you can see next paragraph. Students, hello Bodhi, welcome to our class. Now students are saying to Bodhi that hello Bodhi, and you are welcome to our class. Then what Bodhi says? Thank you all. Then Bodhi बोलती है सबको, सारे बच्चों को thank you. Now come to the next paragraph. Teacher, students, you all have read about some of the states in northeast India. Sikkim is one of them. It is one of the smallest states of India, shaped in the form of a thumb. This state is landlocked. West Bengal, Bhutan, and Nepal are some of its neighbors. Gangtok is the capital and the largest town of Sikkim. See children, one word is highlighted, landlocked, which means surrounded by land on all sides. Okay, then see what does the teacher say. He or she says that and the place Sikkim, this is one of the states of India. Okay, and it is the smallest states of India. It means what? Its size is very small among all the in compared to other states. The shape of Sikkim is like your thumb. Okay, and it is landlocked means what? जो सिक्किम है उसके चारों ओर क्या है? लैंड है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड लैंड लॉक. इट मीन्स इट इज सराउंडेड बाय लैंड ऑन ऑल साइड्स. सी चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड नाइबर्स? नाइबर्स मीन्स आप क्या समझते हो नाइबर्स वर्ड से? देन जो आपके अगल बगल हो दैट इज़ योर नाइबर्स. हेयर इट इज़ सेम. जो सिक्किम है हमारा स्टेट है उसके जो अगल बगल में जो भी और भी जो प्लेस है वो कौन है? वेस्ट बंगाल, भूटान एंड नेपाल. ओके, एंड दे आर कॉल्ड नाइबर्स ऑफ सिक्किम. Gangtok is the capital and the largest town of Sikkim. Now there will be a question in your general knowledge. It can be asked, what is the capital of Sikkim? Then your answer will be Gangtok. Okay, and this Gangtok is also the largest town of Sikkim. Now come to the next page. See, the students listened carefully to the new information they had received. The students who were present in the class, they were listening to their teacher. Okay, and they were getting new information about the place Sikkim. Now what happens? There is a boy whose name is Raja. He asked some questions. See, Miss, Sikkim must be a beautiful land. See children, here the teacher is your female, that's why he has used Miss. Okay, now we want to use he or she. We will directly say she. राजा, मिस, सिक्किम मस्ट बी अ ब्यूटीफुल लैंड. देन जो राजा है वो क्या बोलता है कि मैम या मिस, जो सिक्किम है दैट मस्ट बी ब्यूटीफुल लैंड, मतलब वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत होगा तब तो. देन टीचर सेज यस राजा, in fact the entire state is hilly and has plenty of forests with wonderful flowers and trees. The main river in the state, the Tista, flows from north to south and is known as the lifeline of Sikkim. Then what does the teacher say? She says that he says to Raja that yeah, it is very much beautiful because the entire state is hilly, means there are many hills. वहाँ इतने सारे हिल्स है, सोचो आप कितने खूबसूरत लगते होंगे वो. And this place is having plenty of forest. It means there are many plants, trees, flowers, so it must be looking greenery, huh? So it must be looking beautiful also. And there is a main river which is known as Tista. And in which direction it flows? It flows from north to south, and it is known as the lifeline of Sikkim. Which river is known as lifeline of Sikkim? There will be a question, then you have to answer Tista. Okay, Tista river. See children, lifeline means what? See, the word is given, something on which you depend very much. Means what? For example, मतलब कि ऐसी चीज़ जिस पर बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हो. Then here the river has been said lifeline. It means what? It means the people of the Sikkim get water from this river. That's why it is called lifeline of Sikkim. Now there is a student, Misha. She asked some question. Miss, what about the animals? Then she told that, she asked that, ma'am, what about the animals? वहाँ के animals के बारे में क्या, मतलब कैसे हैं वो, क्या है, कौन से animal पाए जाते हैं? Then teacher replies, she says that yes Misha, Sikkim is also home to some rare animals and birds. The snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep are some of the rare animals found there. Birds like vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, pigeons, etc. can also be spotted in the forest. See children, what does the teacher say? That she says that there are many animals and birds. Some animals are like rare animals. Rare animals means what? They are very less in number in India. So such animals are found in where? Sikkim. Okay, and the name of those animals are the snow leopard. Have you seen snow leopard in the place where you are living? No, because these animals are not found everywhere. These are found in Sikkim. The snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, red panda, musk deer, and blue sheep. See, children, these all animals are they live in cold place. That's why they are not easily found in everywhere. Okay, and Sikkim, as I have already told, that Sikkim is a cold place. That's why these animals are found there. And see, birds like what? Vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, pigeons, etc. can also be spotted in the forest. Spotted means found. Okay, and the birds which are found in Sikkim are these birds which are named here: vultures, eagles, the whistling thrush, bulbuls, pigeons, etc. Now the bell rang for recess. Ria and Bodhi started having lunch together. Now the bell rang for the lunch time. Okay, they were having lunch. So what happens? Then Ria and Bodhi started having lunch together. uh, Ria's Ria had become friend of Bodhi. That's why she was having lunch with her. See, Ria, hey, what have you brought for lunch? Bodhi, noodles. Wow, that's my favorite food. Food. Then Ria asked from Bodhi that, "Hey, what have you brought in your lunch? मतलब तुमने lunch में क्या लाया है Bodhi?" Then Bodhi says that she has brought noodles. Then and noodles are favorite dishes of Ria. She likes noodles. That's why she says, "That's my favorite food." Bodhi, please have it, Ria. What have you brought? Then Bodhi says that, तो लो रिया, और तुमने क्या लाया है? Ria, it's आलू का पराठा. Bodhi, please taste it. Hope you will find it delicious. The noodles are also very tasty. Then Ria again says that, I have brought आलू का पराठा. Children, have you eaten आलू का पराठा? खाया है ना? And it is so yummy and tasty. हाँ? तो रिया जो थी वो क्या लाती है अपने लंच में? आलू का पराठा. एंड देन शी ऑफर्स टू बोधी एंड शी सेज दैट प्लीज़ टेस्ट इट, मतलब कि इसको टेस्ट करो. होप यू विल फाइंड इट डिलीशियस. मुझे ये है कि शायद तुम्हें अच्छा लगे ये चीज़ खाकर, तुम खाकर देखो. एंड देन शी आल्सो सेज दैट द नूडल्स आर आल्सो वेरी टेस्टी. जो बोधी ने लाया था नूडल्स, फिर रिया उसके बारे में तारीफ़ करती है. एंड देन शी सेज दैट द नूडल्स आर वेरी टेस्टी. नाउ बोधी सेज, थैंक्स रिया, द आलू का पराठा इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड डिलीशियस. I really miss my friends in Sikkim. We used to play in the recess and share our food. Our diet is mainly non-vegetarian. Noodle-based dishes like thukpa, chow mein, wontons, and faktu are common in Sikkim. I really love momos that are served with soup, and they are also one of the most popular dishes in Sikkim. See, children, now Bodhi says that at first she thanks to Ria. वो रिया को थैंक्स बोलती है. एंड देन शी सेज दैट दिस आलू का पराठा इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड डिलीशियस. इट मीन्स शी लाइक्स दैट डिश. ओके, एंड शी सेज दैट इट इज़ वेरी टेस्टी. एंड शी आल्सो सेज दैट शी इज़ मिसिंग हर फ्रेंड्स इन सिक्किम. जो बोधी है वो अपनी फ्रेंड्स को मिस करती है, तो वो अपनी बात को शेयर करती है किससे? रिया से. And then she says that we used to play in the recess. Then she tells that ये जो बोधी थी वो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ खेलती थी. कब? लंच के टाइम में. and they used to share their food also, their lunch also. And she further says that our diet is mainly non-vegetarian. जो सिक्किम के लोग हैं, the people of Sikkim used to have non-vegetarian dishes. मतलब उनको नॉन वेजिटेरियन डिशेज ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं, वो लोग ज़्यादा नॉन वेज खाते हैं. ओके, नूडल बेस्ड देर आर मेनी डिशेज विच आर बेस्ड ऑन नूडल. इट मीन्स दे आर मेड अप ऑफ नूडल्स. ओके, एंड दे आर थुकपा, चाउमीन, wontons and faktu. They are the name of food items, okay, which are made up of noodles. Okay, and then Bodhi also says that she loves momos also. एंड मोमोज आर सर्व विद सूप इन सिक्किम। जो मोमोज है उसे भी वो बहुत पसंद करती है, और ये उनके यहाँ मतलब उनके प्लेस पर सिक्किम में जो सर्व किए जाते हैं मोमोज को, उसको सूप के साथ सर्व किए जाते हैं। ओके, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर डिशेज इन सिक्किम। और ये जो है मोस्ट पॉपुलर मतलब सबसे फेमस डिशेज हैं सिक्किम के। ओके, मतलब फेमस डिशेज में से कुछ ये भी हैं। ओके, देर आर मेनी मोर डिशेज ऑल्सो देयर नाउ। एंड यू नो रिया, वी हैव चैंग विच इज़ अ फेमस सिक्किम ड्रिंक. It is served in bamboo containers and with bamboo straws. And the drink which is famous in Sikkim is Chang. Okay, and it is served in bamboo containers. जिसमें ये सर्व किए जाते हैं चैंग को. वो किस चीज़ के बने होते हैं? बैम्बू के. एंड देर विल बी अ बैम्बू स्ट्रॉज, और आप उससे पी सकते हो. रिया, दैट्स वेरी यूनिक एंड सो इको फ्रेंडली. देन रिया सेज दैट, ओ वाओ, इट इज़ सो यूनिक. मतलब कि कुछ अलग सा, इट इज़ सो डिफरेंट, एंड इट इज़ सो इको फ्रेंडली ऑल्सो. इट मीन्स बैम्बू हैज़ बीन यूज्ड हियर, सो इट इज़ इको फ्रेंडली. नाउ सी Bodhi. Bodhi says, yes Riya, even our houses are very simple. They are made from bamboo and lined with cow dung. In some places higher on the mountains, the houses are made of wood. Then Bodhi says that, हाँ Riya, our houses are also simple. It means what? They are also made of bamboo. They are made from bamboo and lined with cow dung. And in some places द हाउसेज आर मेड ऑफ वुड. जैसे कि कुछ जगह जो माउंटेन होते हैं, पहाड़ी इलाके होते हैं, वहाँ जो घर बने होते हैं वो किस चीज़ के बने हैं? लकड़ियों के बने हैं. और इनके यहाँ जो घर और भी है जो बैम्बू के हैं और क्या बने होते हैं? लकड़ियों के बने होते हैं. देन रिया सेज, बोधी, व्हाट इज़ सिक्किम फेमस फॉर? देन रिया आस्क, सिक्किम किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है? कुछ तो हो गया ना वहाँ की यूनिक चीज़. देन बोधी रिप्लाइज, Sikkim is famous for its beautiful arts and crafts, which include carpets and articles made from woven bamboo. You must have heard about Sikkim's famous masked dance. The people dress up in gaily colored costumes, masks, swords, and sparkling jewels. They dance to the sound of drums and the trumpeting of horns. See, children, there are three new words which are highlighted here. Gaily means brightly, sparkling, shining, trumpeting, to make a loud sound like that of a trumpet. In your school, there is trumpet which has been played in assembly. You must have seen that. See, here is also trumpet. The word is used here. See, what does Bodhi say? शी सेज दैट जो हमारा सिक्किम है वो किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है? दैट इज़ फेमस फॉर इट्स ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स. मतलब कि वहाँ के लोग इतने आर्टिस्ट है, मीन्स वो लोग इतनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखाते हैं. जैसे वो लोग क्या बनाते हैं? सच एज कार्पेट्स एंड आर्टिकल्स मेड फ्रॉम वुड एंड बैम्बू. वहाँ के जो लोग हैं दे यूज़ टू मेक कार्पेट्स, आर्टिकल्स, और किस चीज़ के? बैम्बू के. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ ऐसे होते हैं जो बैम्बू के बनाते हैं वो लोग. कुछ टॉय हो गए, कुछ डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स हो गए, एंड देन कार्पेट्स हो गए. ओके, यू मस्ट हैव सीन मैट दैट इज ऑल्सो मेड ऑफ बैम्बू. दिस इज वन एग्जाम्पल. You must have heard about Sikkim's famous mask dance, and Riya tells to, sorry, Bodhi says to Riya that you must have heard, मतलब तुमने ज़रूर सुना होगा सिक्किम का एक फेमस मास्क डांस. मतलब कि लोग क्या करते हैं? अपने फेस पर मास्क लगा लेते हैं. ओके, मास्क मुखौटा लगा लेते हैं, एंड देन दे यूज़ टू डांस. और जो पीपल होते हैं, जो लोग होते हैं जो ऐसा डांस करते हैं, they used to dress up in gaily colored costumes. It means they use brightly colored costumes, जो कहते हैं ना चमकीला सा. हाँ, ओके, they use that costumes, masks, swords means तलवारें, and sparkling jewels, मतलब कि they used to wear jewels which will be sparkling, which will be shining. Okay, they dance to the sound of drums and the trumpeting of horns. और जो ड्रम्स एंड ट्रम्पेट बजते हैं उसके साउंड पर ये डांस करते हैं. ओके, दे यूज टू डांस. नाउ रिया सेज, आई एम रियली गेटिंग क्यूरियस अबाउट योर स्टेट सिक्किम. इट मस्ट बी अ गुड प्लेस टू विजिट. देन रिया सेज दैट, माई गॉड, हाउ मच अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस इट इज़. आई एम गेटिंग सो क्यूरियस दैट रिया इतनी खुश हो जाती है ये चीज़ सुनकर कि कुछ अलग सा सुनने को मिलता है। एंड शी से दैट कि सिक्किम तो कितना सुंदर जगह होगा ना। और क्या बोलती है कि मैं तो वहाँ अब उसके लिए एकदम एक्साइटेड हो गई हूँ, क्यूरियस हो रही हूँ सिक्किम के लिए। और ये कितना अच्छा प्लेस होगा वहाँ घूमने का। इट मस्ट बी अ गुड प्लेस टू विजिट। देन सी व्हाट डज बोधी से? Bodhi. It is indeed Riya. Though Sikkim is a small state, but it attracts many tourists. People visit Sikkim not only to enjoy the view, but also for mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, yak safari, mountain biking, and hang gliding. देन बोधी क्या बोलती है? इट इज़ इंडीड रिया। हाँ सच में ऐसा है रिया। बिकॉज हाँ सिक्किम है छोटा सा स्टेट, बट लेकिन ये जो है ना टूरिस्ट को बहुत ही अट्रैक्ट करता है। और वहाँ लोग घूमने आते हैं। कहाँ? सिक्किम में। क्योंकि वहाँ अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें देखने को मिलती है, इतनी सुंदर सुंदर व्यूज़ हैं, वो देखने को आते हैं लोग। तो और पीपल सिर्फ व्यूज़ देखने के लिए नहीं आते हैं, बल्कि वहाँ क्या करने के लिए आते हैं, कुछ एक्टिविटी करने आते हैं, सच एज माउंटेनियरिंग, ट्रैकिंग, रिवर राफ्टिंग, याक सफारी, माउंटेन बाइकिंग एंड हैंग ग्लाइडिंग। व्हाट इज माउंटेनियरिंग? द एक्टिविटी ऑफ माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग। लोग माउंटेन पर चढ़ते हैं ना, दैट इज़ ऑर माउंटेनियरिंग। ट्रैकिंग, आपको बहुत ही लंबी जर्नी मतलब पैदल ही चलना होता है ऑन योर फुट, ओके, दैट इज़ ऑर ट्रैकिंग। रिवर राफ्टिंग, द स्पोर्ट of traveling down a river on a raft. Children, you must have done some activity. You must have made a raft in your activity in your previous class. That is raft. And here, if you are using that raft in river, then that activity will be your river rafting. Okay. Yak safari, a journey taking to observe animals in the natural habitat. मतलब कि लोग जाते हैं कहाँ, जहाँ एनिमल के जो रहने की जगह होती है वो देखने जाते हैं। माउंटेन बाइकिंग, और क्या करते हैं? माउंटेन बाइकिंग करते हैं। हैंग ग्लाइडिंग, मतलब कि जैसे कि पैराशूट वगैरह यूज़ करना, कुछ ऐसे स्पोर्ट जिसमें वो क्या करते हैं, कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ कर आसमान में उड़ते हैं, स्काई में उड़ते हैं, दैट इज़ हैंग ग्लाइडिंग। ओके। देन नाउ रिया सेज, माई फादर टोल्ड मी दैट Sikkim got its first airport recently. Then Riya says that my father was saying that there were no airports in Sikkim. Now recently there is a Sikkim got a first airport. तो रिया बोलती है कि मेरे फादर क्या बोल रहे थे कि पहले वहाँ कोई एयरपोर्ट नहीं था, बट अब रिसेंटली एक एयरपोर्ट बना है जो इसका पहला एयरपोर्ट है। किसका? सिक्किम का। देन बोधी क्या कहती है? बोधी सेज, yes Riya, it's called the Pakyong airport. Now many more people will be able to visit my beautiful state. Then children, there will be a question, which is the first airport of Sikkim? Then your answer would be Pakyong airport. Okay. Then Bodhi replies, हाँ रिया, और इट्स नेम इज़ पाक्योंग एयरपोर्ट। जो एयरपोर्ट के बारे में तुम बात कर रही हो, जो जिसके बारे में तुम्हारे फादर ने बताया, दैट इज़ पाक्योंग एयरपोर्ट। एंड नाउ many people will come to visit our place. Means which place? Sikkim. Okay, so that they can see the views of Sikkim, they can enjoy the sports and activities of Sikkim such as mountaineering, hang gliding and all. Okay, तो बोधी क्या बोलती है, ताकि बहुत सारे अब लोग आकर, बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट और भी आएंगे अब देखने के लिए क्या, हमारे प्लेस को। नाउ रिया सेज, वाओ बोधी, आई एम वंडरिंग हाउ एक्साइटिंग इट वुड बी टू विजिट सिक्किम। नाउ रिया सेज कि अरे वाओ, शी वॉज सो एक्साइटेड। देन रिया सेज, वाओ कितना अच्छा होगा ना, मैं तो सोच रही हूँ कि कितना अच्छा होता होगा, कितना कितना मज़ा आता होगा सिक्किम घूमने पर, मतलब विजिट करने पर। एंड शी वॉज सो हैप्पी एंड शी वॉज सो क्यूरियस। इट मीन्स वॉट? शी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू गो सिक्किम। एंड दिस इज योर स्टोरी. It has been finished here. I hope you would have enjoyed this chapter, and you would have enjoyed the views of Sikkim and about Sikkim, because it is a nice chapter through which you have got so many information about Sikkim, which will help in your general knowledge also. So thank you children, and now it's time to say you goodbye. Have a lovely day. Thank you.